needed from 56 balls. Sorry, 55 balls.
Looking at Shamraz, looking for a big one.
Yes, they need big ones now. They can't be happy with ones and twos.
9 overs remaining. 70.
Either they hit it out of the ground or they walk away. That's what they need to do. They have to get some courage and hit the big sixes and fours for them to get back into this game. But still, it seems like Azorians have never given up. They will never give up until the last ball. Nine overs left. We are moving on to the 42nd over. 54 balls remaining, and Azhar need 77 runs for their victory. 77 from 54 balls.
Shafraz, some big hits can turn the match, but it was very big task. The Wazimi the key. And Shamraz, the other side, who's on 9. Manazir, back, captain, back to the attack. Going to the onside.
We will look for 2, yes.
And good running between the wickets.
$163 now. 75 more runs needed from 53 deliveries. Here comes the captain again. Again, it's Upish, and it's just a 0-run return. 9 wickets down for Azhar.
That is end up Wazim.
Showed some great courage here. He had to take some risks.
The last player at the middle was the college. 163 runs.
And we can see the Madhilians running all over the ground here. They are ready to celebrate another victory. 3 in a row. And that's it. That's the cup what they are playing for here. Is it going to be for Madhilians this time too? Looks like they are pretty much close to it now. They have taken 9 wickets. Still a lot more runs to get for Azorians.
The pair at the middle for Azorians. Very sorry stage. But this is a decent batting. The batting card. It means a very good batting line of Azorians. The Manazir, Anaz, Azahir, Nuzlan, Umair Khan. All can bat, but the Madinians played superbly.
It's their day. You can't underestimate the Azorians. They are a very good team. Unfortunately, it's Madina's day today. And we had a lot of Azarians tuned in to log on to akuranatv.com from all over the world. Lot of phone calls coming in. We had some technical issues. Every time we had a technical issue, there were a lot of foreign calls for us. All our mobile phones were filled with foreign calls today. So that shows how much they are interested, how much they are glued to their computer screens. Wherever they are, that shows their spirit. From Japan, from the United Kingdom, USA,
Saudi Arabia, very special friend from me.
yeah, Saudi Arabia, we have a special person there, Riyazi Farooq. And I got a call from Riham from Japan, Zamir from the UK. They are all glued on to this.
all over the world.
All over the world. Though we lose, we have won in that department. I don't think Madinians are on par with us in that area. What do you think, Lukman?
Yeah, but they need some boost too. They're playing very well. Good cricket at the middle, but
They're playing good cricket there.
they need spirit.
They need to get together and have that spirit.
Not only today, not only for the cricket, all the time with the school.
Because we need very good Muslim schools in the country, because if you take the Muslim schools in general,
I view Shafraz, the old boys of the Madinas are very good and they're well educated and they're okay, but for the junior old boys, have to get together.
they have to get their act together. They have to get together everyone all over the world, because we would like to see them doing well too.
Yeah, I'm sure junior Madinians, they need,
Sure, one or two of them are listening to us.
I don't know.
Please don't get offended, but we would like to see you all doing good, guys.
Playing very good cricket.
Not only in the field, we want a good
On and off field.
competitor for us.
But growing up, from the start 2008 to 2011, the Madinians are growing up in the spirit of the school. That's a good sign.
And on the outside, it's going down. One more added to the total.
But Shumail and Rifaz played a smart game, solid game, with the bat and ball, played superbly, with a good partnership and magnificent bowling figures. Noisy ready for Madinians. Big Noisy cheering every Madinian. All boys, school boys, the parents. Here the jubilant Madinian with the yellow jerseys.
And they are ready to take on the streets now.
It's a time.
And they should. They are winning this for the third consecutive time.
The time to celebrate, Shafraz. There's nothing to worry. The time to celebrate. They put on a big task, 237, a decent score. In my view, for the schoolboy, it's a very big task, 237. A very good total on this wicket. And
Another wide.
they took the wickets in the regular intervals. That is the key. The Manazir, Azahir, Anas. Another wide delivery. With some hope when the Wazim is there in the crease, but there's no hope here. Wazim played this superbly, scored just 20 runs, but
And that's Moeen, the man behind all this AkuranTV.com.
Oh, he's a man.
He's the one who let everyone
He's the chief
bring you
actor.
the live coverage
For
from
the-
this international stadium in Pallekele
For
to
the-
all over the world.
Yeah, Shafraz, for the last week,
He's
he's
been-
the man.
He's
to
been
What
working
we
very
are-
hard on that.
work here with you. Am I right?
Yes, we are just bringing you the live coverage here, but Moeen has done a great job. Hats off to you, Moeen.
2006, the guy's done a tremendous job. Fabulous. Jazil Jabir,
Jazil Jabir,
Inshaf
Inshaf,
Jabbar, and Anfaz,
Pinfaz, then
Nifraz, Manaz, and Ikram. Well done, boys. Keep it up. 2006, the collaboration with Junior as well as Union. $170 for 9. Some Ajibaji.
and that's it. Madinians have triumphed here. They have won it for the third consecutive time. They've done very good with the bat and with the ball.
They beat Nazarians very comfortably. 67 runs.
And Azhar had to settle with 170. And they are in a jubilant mood there. And the party has started for them. It will be a long night for them today. They will go all the way to Madhawala. They will celebrate all night today.
Congratulations, Madinians.
And we congratulate the Madinians.
And we are thanking the umpires, Sernam Davira and Nishan Tata Singh. And the best referee for today's official, Chandra Mahamat K. Was a big cheering. Why not? They are in a happy mood. Look at the celebrations. Red ball. Suhail and Rifaz, the key members, they dominate the whole scene today.
Still, Azorians have never given up their spirits.
Azarians lost the game, but the speed is there, Shabbat. That is a moral boost for the Azorians. That T-shirt says, we are playing for, not only for the victory, playing for fight. As time ready for the awards, the presentation. Look at that, coach and assistant coach and the supporting staff. They're very happy with their boys' performance.
The maroon, gold and blue flag.
The worry faces but Shafraz, but the speed, it's awesome.
Win.
Here's the maroon, gold, green flags, flying high.